Welcome back. Today we are making Vietnamese boiled Cochinita Pibil-style pork bun bowls, tender citrus achiote pork, rice noodles, herbs, cucumber, and peanuts, all without a long oven roast. It serves 4 servings and takes about 1 hour 45 minutes, and it gives you that juicy pulled pork feeling in a lighter, brighter noodle bowl. Let us walk through the ingredients, starting with 1 1/2 pounds pork shoulder. It becomes tender and shreddable when gently boiled, which makes this version very home-friendly. 3 tablespoons achiote paste bring the Cochinita Pibil-style color, earthy flavor, and gentle peppery depth. 1 cup orange juice gives the boiling liquid sweetness and bright citrus, so the pork tastes rich but not heavy. 3 tablespoons lime juice add the sharp tang that keeps the achiote sauce lively. 2 tablespoons fish sauce add Vietnamese savory depth and help season the pork from the inside out. 1 tablespoon brown sugar rounds the citrus and balances the saltiness of the fish sauce. 4 cloves garlic give the broth a mellow backbone as they soften with the pork. 2 stalks lemongrass bring the Vietnamese fragrance, with a lemony aroma that works beautifully with achiote and orange. 2 shallots melt into the boiling liquid and add a gentle sweetness. 8 cups water are divided, with 2 cups for the pork broth and 6 cups for boiling the noodles. 1 teaspoon kosher salt gives the pork broth a steady base seasoning. 8 ounces dried rice vermicelli noodles make this feel like a fresh Vietnamese bun bowl instead of a heavy stew. 1 cup cucumber matchsticks add cool crunch against the warm shredded pork. 1 cup fresh cilantro and mint leaves gives the bowl that bright herbal finish. 1/4 cup roasted peanuts adds a nutty crunch at the end. We begin the preparation by cutting 1 1/2 pounds pork shoulder into 2-inch chunks, so each piece can tenderize evenly in the boiling broth. Now that the pork is ready, whisk 3 tablespoons achiote paste, 1 cup orange juice, 3 tablespoons lime juice, 2 tablespoons fish sauce, and 1 tablespoon brown sugar in a small bowl until the paste loosens into a smooth marinade. Add the pork chunks to the marinade and turn them until every surface is coated in that orange-red mixture. Let the coated pork sit for 10 minutes while you bruise and cut 2 stalks lemongrass, smash 4 cloves garlic, and thinly slice 2 shallots. Transfer the pork and every bit of marinade into the matte black Dutch oven, then add the 4 cloves garlic, 2 stalks lemongrass, 2 sliced shallots, 2 cups water, and 1 teaspoon kosher salt. Set the Dutch oven over high heat and bring the liquid to a full boil, which should take about 8 minutes. Once it boils, reduce the heat to medium-low, cover the pot slightly ajar, and keep the pork at a gentle boil for 1 hour. After 1 hour, uncover the pot, turn the pork pieces with tongs, and skim off any foam from the surface so the sauce tastes clean. Keep boiling gently for 20 more minutes, until the pork is tender enough to pull apart with a fork. Move the tender pork to a plate, leaving the broth, lemongrass, garlic, and shallots in the Dutch oven. Boil the broth uncovered over medium-high heat for 10 minutes, until it reduces slightly and looks glossy. While the broth reduces, shred the pork with 2 forks into bite-sized strands. Return the shredded pork to the reduced broth, stir it well, and boil for 5 minutes so the meat soaks up the sauce. Remove and discard the lemongrass pieces, then keep the saucy pork warm over the lowest heat. In the stainless steel pot, bring the remaining 6 cups water to a boil, add 8 ounces dried rice vermicelli noodles, and boil for 4 minutes, or until just tender. Drain the noodles well, then divide them among 4 deep white bowls. Top each bowl with the warm shredded pork and spoon a little of the orange achiote broth over the noodles. Finish the cooking by adding 1 cup cucumber matchsticks, 1 cup fresh cilantro and mint leaves, and 1/4 cup roasted peanuts over the 4 bowls. And there it is, a Vietnamese bun bowl with the citrusy, tender spirit of Cochinita Pibil, made easy by boiling instead of roasting. The pork is juicy, the noodles are fresh, and every bite has herbs, crunch, and that bright orange achiote sauce. Serve it right away while the pork is warm and the herbs are lively. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more cozy home cooking.